going to talk about black and white. Very easy to decorate with, and it makes a stunning statement. Now, if you had a white powder room, right, white sink, white subway tile, you know what looks really dramatic? Black and white wallpaper with it. Especially something like this. It's a very simple black and white Greek key. Simple, but has pattern, so it makes the room be very dynamic and makes a designer statement. Another pattern that's really great are these sort of branching tree type designs. Now this is just black on white with, in the background, it also has a slight pearl white to it, so it has a hint of another pattern behind it to give it that layered look. But this kind of pattern is stunning. It's very elegant, looks fantastic with black furniture, white furniture, and is really great as a feature wall, say in a master bedroom behind the bed. Also looks great in a dining room. It's very easy to decorate around when you're decorating with black and white. So it sort of takes the mystery out of it if you're thinking, oh, what should I do for decorating? But I do like black and white, and I wear a lot of black and white. Well, black and white wallpaper might be just for you. If you need any other ideas, please go to our website, Daisy Bennett Designs. We'd love to inspire you so you can use some pattern and prints in your home.